Today, these three players are after big bucks, but they'll have to avoid the whammy as they play the most exciting game of their lives. From Television City in Hollywood, it's time to press your luck. And now, here's your host, the star of Press Your Luck, Peter Tamarkin.
Thank you. All right, thank you, Rod Roddy. Hi, everybody. Welcome to Press Your Luck, also known as Now You See It, Now You Don't. That happens on occasion. Hopefully will not happen today and will be just big bucks. Let's meet the players looking for those big bucks, starting with our returning champion, Michael Terhall. How are you, Michael?
All right. Real fine.
Good. $19,796. Good luck today.
I like it. Thank you.
Our second player is Jeff Ross. How are you, Jeff?
Fine, Peter.
Good.
Ah,
Jeff, you go to school?
yes.
Where do you go?
Claremont McKenna College.
And I don't think you don't look like you play, you don't look like a terpsichorean. You know what I mean?
No, I'm a champion chess player.
Champion chess player.
Yeah.
And on the side, you what? Do you play a little football?
A little bit.
Not much.
No.
Nah.
Try to stay away from
Just
it.
to knock heads when you're playing chess.
After a bad move, you got to do something to relieve the pressure.
You got to watch your moves here on this show. All right?
I'll
Ready?
kill any whammy that comes near me.
It's a subtle approach. Good, Jeff. Good to have you with us.
Thank you.
Our third player is Etta Lyon. How are you, Etta? Good. Etta, you are an authoress, I understand. You have written a book?
Well, I'm in the process of writing a book.
What's it called?
No Sex in Camping. Can't be any sex, Peter, because you parked the trailer on the side of the hill with two little rocks. And the lake's down below, that's called fear.
I don't know. You scared me, Etta.
And not even at night because the moon casts a shadow and you can't see the red leaves. You'll get poison ivy.
I'll take your word for it, Etta. I need to know that because I thought it was just the pine cones. I mean, I was going for the easy stuff, but this is a book that'll really help everybody. Huh?
Oh, yes.
When
Constructive.
When's it coming out?
When I get the courage to finish it.
Well, you may get the bucks to finish it here, Etta. Are you ready?
Ready?
All right, gang, here we go. Buzz and answer, 3 spins, multiple choice answer, 1 spin. Here's the first question. Who wrote No Sex in Camping? No. According to a study of women's views conducted by Glamour magazine, what fraction of women say they would stay home with their children if they could, Michael?
3/4.
Is it 3/4, 1/4, or 1/2, Jeff?
1/2.
All right, what do you think, Etta?
1/2.
The fraction of women who'd stay home with the kids is 3/4. And Michael gets himself 3 big spins. I'd stay home with them too if I could. What goggle-wearing superstar was named last year's Sports Illustrated Sportsman, Jeff?
Kareem Abdul-Jabbar.
Sportsman of the Year. Was it Kareem Abdul-Jabbar, John McEnroe, or Walter Payton, Michael?
Kareem Abdul-Jabbar.
Who is it?
Kareem.
That's right. Sports Illustrated 1985 Sportsman of the Year was Kareem Abdul-Jabbar. Michael, 4. Jeff, 3. Etta, a spin. Third question. According to the Center for Disease Control, during which winter month does the flu virus reach its peak, Michael?
January.
Is it January, December, or February?
I'll go with January.
All right, and Etta?
February.
Up with February. The tough month for flu viruses is February. And Etta gets the spin. Goes to 2. She's now at Princeton, but do you remember what jeans Brooke Shields advertised? Etta.
Calvin Klein.
Is it Calvin Klein, Sassoon, or Jordache, Michael?
Calvin Klein.
What do you think, Jeff?
Calvin Klein.
Nothing come between me and my Calvin Klein. Michael to 5, Jeff to 4, and Etta to 5. And you stick around for some money when we come back after these words. We're coming right back. Gang, you want to win this round so you can play last in the final round. 4 whammies will bring tears to your eyes, and you can pass your remaining spins during your turn, all right? Fewest spins first. Jeff, that's you with 4. Are you ready?
Okay, I'm ready.
Get some money here.
Let's have some big bucks here. Let's have some big bucks. Big bucks and stop.
Stop at $200. First place, 3 spins, Jeff.
We're gonna keep going here. Come on now. We want big bucks. We want big bucks. A lot of money out there. A lot of money and stop.
Stop it. Add a 1.
Woo!
All of a sudden, it's $1,200, Jeff. Well done. 2 spins left. Press or pass.
I'm gonna go one more time.
Go again.
Here.
Okay.
All right, here we go. Here we go. Let's have it again. Here we go. Big bucks and stop.
Stop at 300 in the spin. That's $1,500. Still 2 spins. We're still in the game. Rocking and rolling. What are you going to do?
I'm gonna press my luck
All
here.
right, Jeff.
All right, let's go now. Let's go. We need the money. We need the money right here and stop.
Stop at watches, Jeff. Those watches are worth $425. That's $19.25, and you still have a spin left.
I'm passing.
Michael gets the spin.
Yeah.
You're up next, Michael. 1 spin you have to take. Here we go.
Lady luck still with me. Come on, big bucks, and stop.
Stop it. Go back 2 spaces to $1,000. Courtesy of Jeff. Second place. Now you have 5 spins. You can press or pass.
Hey, I'm gonna keep going.
All right.
We're talking a trip to Florida, Disney World coming up, and stop.
Stop at $400.
Yeah.
That's $1,400. 4 spins. $525 less than Jeff.
Keep going. Let's get those big bucks again. Come on, Lady Luck, and stop.
Oh,
Look out, Bird! Look out, Kareem! Look out, Magic!
didn't look like the sportsman of the year to me. In any event, 3 spins left, Michael. Going again?
Hey.
All right.
Lady Luck's here. Big bucks coming up. Big bucks, and stop.
Stop at 200 in a spin.
Yeah.
3 spins, second place.
All
right.
Let's go. Big bucks. Big bucks. Let's see it. Let's see it. Stop.
Stop. Another whammy.
All I hear is big bucks! Big bucks! I got you, big buck!
I will.
You're going to pass those 2. All right. They go to Jeff. Are you ready for them, Jeff?
I'll take them.
2 of them are yours. Here they
more
come.
money.
More money. All right, let's
More
see.
money.
19 and a quarter.
Okay, here we go. Here we go. Big bucks. More money here. More money and stop.
Stop at 550. 24.75. 1 more spin you have to take,
Here
Jeff.
we go. Here we go. Big bucks. Big bucks. We want the money. Nothing but cash and stop.
Stop at 100 and a spin. 25.75. Still 1 spin left. Want to press your luck or pass it? Oh, back to Michael. Tough spin, Michael. Here it comes. You have to
No
take it.
problem.
Stay away from the whammy.
Big bucks. Let's see it, and stop.
Oh!
Now that I'm a star, I need makeup. Makeup!
Oh, a wound laid on you by Jeff. You have 3 whammies, no dollars, no more spins. Get it. Roll up those sleeves. Here we go.
Okay? Siesta time, whammy. Stop.
Stop.
This ought to do it. Oh, no.
All right.
Are you daunted? Going again, Etta?
Enough of that nonsense.
Here we go.
Stop.
Stop at $400. 3 spins, second place, Etta. Press your luck or pass.
Okay, here we go. Stop.
Stop at 100 in a spin. 500. Still 3 spins. 2,075 less than Jeff.
All right. Here we go.
Here we go.
Stop.
Stop at 400 more. 900. 2 spins. 1675 less than Jeff. Press your luck or pass. Here we go.
Here we go. Stop.
Stop moving space to 750 or 100 in a spin.
No, I'm going to take 750.
750
Thank
gives you
you
1650. 1 spin left and you have $925 less than Jeff. Press your luck or pass.
Oh, I'm going to go myself.
Go ahead. Okay, Etta. Looking for big bucks.
Here we go. Here we go. Stop.
Stop at $350. Michael 0. Etta 2,000. Jeff 25.75. You have the advantage in first place. And we're coming right back after these words for a whole new round. This ought to be fun. Here we go is the first one. According to Burger King commercials, what is the name of the only man in America who said he had never tasted one of their burgers, Jeff?
Herb.
Is it Herb, Mitch, or Orson, Michael?
It's Herb.
Who is
It's
it, Etta?
Herb.
Yeah, that man who missed the tasty Burger King is Herb. Michael a spin, Jeff 3, Etta a spin. Number 2. Here's an operatic question. What city would you be in if you were attending the marriage of Figaro after having your hair cut by opera's most favorite barber? Jeff.
Seville?
Is it Seville, Milan, or Venice, Michael?
Milan.
What is it, Etta?
Seville.
That barber hails from Seville, the barber of Seville. Jeff to 6, Etta to 2. Third one coming up. To the Greeks, he was known as Eros. But by what name did the Romans know the god of love? Is it Cupid, Apollo, or Neptune, Michael?
Apollo.
Who is it, Jeff?
Cupid.
Who is it, Etta?
Cupid.
Cupid, lay back your bow. Oh, yeah. Roman god of love is Cupid. And Jeff goes to 7, Etta to 3. You ready for the last one? Here it comes. If a letter of the alphabet isn't a vowel, what is it? Michael.
Consonant.
Is it a consonant, a diphthong, or a homonym, Jeff?
Consonant.
What do you think, Adam?
Consonant.
I like diphthong, but it's a consonant. And Michael goes to 4, Jeff to 8, and Etta to 4. And big bucks. And when we come back after these words, we do not go away. Michael is $0, 3 whammies, 4 spins. You're first. You got to stay away from the whammy,
No problem.
or you'll be out of the game.
Hey,
You ready?
the luck's still with me.
Okay, here we
All
go.
the way. Come on, Lady Luck. Let's get that big bucks in the spin and stop.
Stop at 500 in the spin. You're back in the chips. Third place, 4 spins.
Keep going.
Looking for
Keep
lose
going.
or whammy.
Big bucks. Big bucks. Come on. Big bucks in the spin and stop.
Stop at 750 in a spin. 1250. Still 4 spins.
going.
Still
Keep
third
going.
place, Michael.
Let's skip. All right, big bucks. Where are you? I need you now. Lady Luck coming through and stop.
Stop at $1,500. 2750. You are now in first place. Keep
going.
All
Keep
right,
going.
Michael. Press your luck.
Knocking big bucks in the spin. Coming up. Come on, big bucks. And stop.
Stop at 1,500. So far, so good. 4250. 2 spins. Michael's
Coming up.
pressing it.
Big bucks. Lady Luck, come on. You're on my side. And stop.
Stop at 500 in a spin. 4750. Still 2 spins, Michael. Still 3
going.
whammies. Going
Keep
again.
going. Good luck. Come on, Lady Luck. Big bucks or a trip. I'll take either. And stop.
Stop at $2,000. 6750. All of this on 3 whammies. You have 1 spin left. Michael, going again.
Gotta do it. Gotta do it. Hey. Come on, big
Yes,
bucks.
yes,
Come
welcome
on.
to the show now.
Come on, let's see. Double the bucks in a spin. Double the bucks. And stop.
Stop at 1,000 in a spin. 7750. 1 spin left.
Gotta go.
Going again. Here we go.
Come on, Lady
Press,
Luck.
press, press.
You're hanging in there. Come on, Lady Luck. And stop.
Stop at double. $1 and a spin. Michael, that's $15,500. You have 1 spin left. What? Pass it. It goes to Jeff. Amazing. You don't take it yet, Jeff. Etta, are you ready, my dear?
I'm ready.
Here we go. All yours, my love.
Second honeymoon for George. Stop.
Stop at a game table, Etta. That's worth $2,195. That's $41.95. Second place, 3 spins.
Here I go. VCR for George. Here we go. Stop.
Stop at $800. $49.95. 2 spins. Going again.
All right. Here we go. Here we go. And I think I'm going to be back. Stop.
Stop and go back 2 spins to 4,000 spin. $89.95, Etta.
Be my guest.
You're passing the 2. Michael, let's see what Etta done did.
No
Here we
problem.
go.
We're talking Lady Luck right here. And we're talking big bucks. Come on, big bucks. And stop.
Stop at 500 in the spin. $16,000. 1 more spin you have to take. Michael,
All right,
here it
we're
comes.
going. We're going here. Big bucks. Lady Luck all the way. Come on, see and stop.
Stop and move on space. 2,500 or 500 in a spin.
2,500.
2,500 gives you $18,500. You have 1 spin. You can
I
either
will
press your
pass.
luck or pass. It goes
I will
back to
pass.
Etta. Here we go, Etta. 1 spin.
Okay, big box.
Oh!
Who would ever hurt a whammy? Who would ever want out?
Oh, Etta. Awful.
Awesome.
But you're not out of the game. In 1 spin you have to take, Jeff. You ready?
Okay, here we go. Big money. We're going to catch him. We're going to catch him. 5,000 in a spin and stop.
Stop at 1,000 in a spin. 35.75. 9 spins in the earn column. Press or pass. Here we go. About $15,000.
Here we go. Here we go. We need more money. We need more money. Here it is. Right now, and stop.
Stop at a $1,500 spin. 5,075. Still 9 spins, Jeff. Here we go.
We're going. We're going. Here we go. More money. I love the money. I love the money. And stop.
Stop at 3,000 spin. 8,075. About $10,400 separates you and Michael. 9 spins, Jeff.
I'm pressing my
Here we
luck.
go.
Here we go. Here we go. Big bucks. Big bucks. We're going with it. And stop.
Stop at 14 more. 94.75. 8 spins, Jeff. Press or pass. Michael. 8 spins. Void that whammy 8 times, and you will have earned the win.
I got
one
this
whammy. Jeff's the winner. Are you ready, Jeff?
I'm
Michael?
ready. I'm ready.
Here we go with number 1.
Big bucks. Let's see that big fighter coming up and stop.
Stop and move on space to 750 to spin or New York.
New York.
New York City, $2,130. You're up to $20,630. 7 spins. Number 2 coming up.
All right, let's go.
Dodge those bullets.
No problem. Lady Luck and stop.
Stop at $500. $21,130. Third one coming up. 6. Here we go, Michael.
Let's go. No problem. Lady Luck and stop.
Stop at a Tahitian cruise. Tahitian cruise is worth $4,188. $25,318. Here's the 4th you have to deal with, Michael. 5 spins left. Here we go.
All right, let's go and stop.
Stop at advance 2 spaces to Bermuda. That trip to Bermuda, Michael, is worth $2,522. $27,840. Number 5. 4 left. Here we go.
All right, let's go for that big here. Big bucks. Lady Luck. Come on. Come on.
Stop at $1,250. That's a total of $29,090. 3 spins. Number 6. Oh, the sweat's coming out now. Stop at advance 2 spaces to the Poconos, Michael. That's worth $2,040 up to $31,130.
No problem.
2 more bullets, Michael. Here comes the first one. Go. You hang it in. Stop at $1,500. Michael, $32,630. Can you handle this last one?
Yes.
Jeff, can you handle the last one?
I'm ready.
Here comes the big spin. Michael, Jeff, get the hold on to $34,630. Stop at $750 in a spin. It's not over. Michael, $33,380. You have 1 spin. Do I have to ask what to do with it?
Pass.
Oh, pass. Jeff, you will need something with an additional spin in order to stay in this game. If you don't get it, Michael's a champ. Are you ready, Jeff? 94.75. Here we go, Michael and Jeff.
We need a spin. We need a spin. Anything with the spin. Here we go. Stop.
Stop it already. Michael, you're the champion of $33,380. My, oh my. It's been a long time since we've had someone win that much in one day. We'll be back. We're back with today's big Press Your Luck winner, Michael, who's still in the days with $33,380. And the illustrious one, Rod Roddy, is going to run through the litany. Better to tell him what he didn't win, Rod.
Oh, I've got many things to say, Peter. Listen to this, Michael. You won a holiday in the Poconos. You'll get your companion round trip coach from Los Angeles to the East Coast for a 6-night vacation, full American plan at the Mount Airy Lodge in the Pennsylvania Poconos. You'll enjoy luxurious accommodations, gourmet dining, sports facilities, and the gala nightlife at Mount Airy Lodge in the Poconos. You won a trip to New York. We'll fly 2 of your round trip coach from Los Angeles to New York City for a 6-night stay at the fabulous Eastside Hotel Lexington. You will enjoy a lovely room with a beautiful view of Midtown Manhattan, and you'll be located near top Fifth Avenue shops, the Hotel Lexington in New York. Michael, you want a Bermuda vacation. We'll get you and a guest round-trip air coach from Los Angeles to Bermuda for a 6-night stay, modified American plan at the deluxe Belmont Hotel, Golf and Beach Club, the resort designed for sports lovers. It's set on a semi-tropical estate overlooking Bermuda's great sound. You'll enjoy great views, golf, and water sports. And Michael, you have won a cruise of Tahiti and her islands. You and your companion will fly a round trip from Los Angeles to Tahiti, where you begin your Tahitian adventure. Your 7-day cruise will include stops at fabled Bora Bora, Rangiroa, and beautiful Moorea. Michael, those prizes total $10,880. Combined with the $22,500 in cash you won today and the $19,796 in cash and prizes you have won previously gives you a new grand total, Michael, of $53,176. Congratulations!
You're going to be a one-cruising dude. I mean, you're going to be cruising forever. You know, I've got some Dramamine. I'll give you some Dramamine for $50,000.
Thank you. I appreciate that.
I tell you what, and you are history, Michael, because you're over our 50,000 limit with 53,176. Jeff and Etta, you've been a lot of fun. I thank you for being with us. We have some nice prizes for you. Etta, finish the book.
I will.
Okay, good. Until next time, this is Peter Tamarkin. Thanks for pressing your luck. Bye-bye.